Do you have hard water stains on your shower door and you don't know how to remove them? Don't worry, I'm going to show you a method I use. You are going to need steel wool 0000 and Barkeeper's Friend. Use a generous amount and some elbow grease and start scrubbing the door. As you can see, there was years of hard water buildup on this door. You couldn't even see that there was a design. So when I saw a design at the end, I was surprised. There are so many other methods, but this is one of the most economical and the results just don't lie. So tell me, will you give this a try? Do you have a ring around your toilet? If your answer was yes, then I'm going to show you 2 different products that will help you remove it easily. The first one is this Scotch Brite Scrub and Drop. It is actually a new product of theirs and it has a wand. You can buy a pack of these 4 little drops. You attach it to the wand and it basically works like a scoring stick. As you can see, when I flushed the toilet, that ring did not come off, but this kind of works kind of like a pumice stone scoring stick. And once you're done removing that whole ring, you just drop it and flush. The second alternative is an actual scoring stick. You can find the scoring stick in the cleaning aisle as well. Don't forget to wet it. If you do not wet it, it can damage your ceramic. Once wet, you just scrub along and there you go. Ring is gone. So tell me, which method would you use? 3 things that you're probably forgetting to clean in your bathroom. Under the rim inside of your toilet. Yes, a lot of people scrub around, but they don't scrub the inside of that rim. And just look at all the stuff that came out of there. Yum. Number 2, under and behind the toilet. Yes, it is one of those places that often gets missed. Kind of like if I can't see it and reach it, it just does not exist. Lastly, but definitely not least, in between the shower glass doors. In between, around, and even on the outside are areas that often get missed of the door railing. But because it is a place where edges meet, it is one of those places that can get very grimy. Let me know in the comments which one you've missed.